The Taipei City government has announced a taxi subsidy program for expectant mothers. The program will grant up to 250 NT per taxi ride during pregnancy and for 6 months postpartum, for up to 8,000 NT in total.
This nearly 40 million NT plan is facing backlash from some city councilors who say it is reckless spending that threatens the budget of other city programs. The subsidy will launch in July if approved by the City Council.
For pregnant women going to their prenatal checkups, taxi fare can add up fast if they can't drive or take public transport. But in Taipei, moms-to-be could soon have a reason to celebrate. Taipei Mayor Chiang Wan-an has announced a taxi subsidy program for pregnant women.
We're launching a taxi program for pregnant women. This not only fulfills a campaign promise I made last year, but it is also outlined in our city government white paper. Compared to other programs, ours has the longest duration as women become eligible during pregnancy. Secondly, we offer the highest amount of subsidy.
The subsidy covers up to 250 NT per trip for up to 8,000 NT per pregnancy.
When I was pregnant, I sometimes drove myself around. Other times I took a taxi, which would cost around 300 or 400 NT per trip. Will this increase the birth rate? Who knows? But it will certainly be helpful for those who are already pregnant or have children.
The cab subsidy is set to launch in July. It will be open to people whose households are registered in Taipei and who hold a government-issued Pregnant Women's Health Manual. They can access the subsidy by registering on the Taipei Pass mobile app and by booking their rides in advance. Some 7,000 pregnant women are expected to benefit from the program, which is open to all income levels and will cost 39.2 million NT. The budget has already been allocated and awaits City Council review.
It's clear that this is a comprehensive measure to ease the financial burden on young parents. It could also attract residents from other cities and counties to register their households in Taipei. This kind of reckless spending is already affecting and squeezing other budget allocations. Unless the mayor is willing to pay for it using his 700 million NT reserve fund, Taipei City still has external debts. We want Mayor Chiang Wan-an to do more than write empty checks.
The councillor said the city should rethink how it pays for the program in light of how other budgets are affected.